What's up, horror freaks and fanatics? I'm back again with another one of my Ghostface review videos, or Scream, I guess, in the matter of this specific video. We're going to be discussing the Burkbench Designs Neon Brandon James mask, or as I like to call it, the Neon Reaper. Now, this video is following my previous video, if you haven't already seen it. Like a couple videos I've made before this one, including of my Ghostface cosplay, I made a fan-made music video for one of my favourite songs from a band called Priest, the song being called The Cross. Check it out, let me know what you think about that. I'd appreciate if you gave me some feedback. Just a little bit of fun I like to do here and then. I just like to put together a character or cosplay I've made, one of my original designs, or a known character, make a music video. So with this video, we're going to have two separate parts. The first is going to be for you guys who like to display their masks. So in that one, we're going to go through the way the mask looks, the way it's presented, the way, I guess, you can set it up. It's not just the mask as well we're discussing. We will also be discussing the Burkbench Designs Buck 120 replica knife, which is also a neon green, which looks absolutely incredible with the costume, as you'll see later in the video. Here's a quick view of what the knife looks like itself. You can see the colours identical, especially when paired next to the mask. Now, if I was to display this mask, this is one of the few ways I would like to do it. Personally, the way I've done it, I've got it set up in my bedroom. I have it hanging on the wall with the poncho off a hanger with the full cosplay, knife hanging above the mask, just so it kind of looks as if I've got Brandon James in the room in the cheapest way possible without having to buy a mannequin. And now for you guys who want to see it in cosplay. So if you haven't already seen the video I mentioned earlier, the music video, this will give you an impression of how it looks without me running around and moving. I want to try and give you all the angles and also give you an idea of how the mask looks when it comes to straps. I'm not 100% sure of the material. When I make masks myself, I use nylon styled straps, and I'm not sure what these are, just kind of these weaved cotton straps, but again, they are also a beautiful neon green. Before I actually got into Scream again, I actually didn't give a shit about the colour green too much, but now I'm fucking obsessed with it. I just love the way it looks and everything, and I think what started it all was the Stab movie posters in Scream 2. I've had people ask me about my Brandon James cosplay since that previous video, so this is the type of poncho I bought to go with my cosplay. Modelling it here myself in a rare, never before seen image of myself without a full cosplay. Yep, there you go. So I bought this one off eBay for less than £10. I think it's about $15 in American currency, whatever you want to call it. What I did as well, which most of you cosplayers out there will be aware of doing anyway, I'll just let some of you guys know in case you don't, I stitched a Velcro strap on the centre inside of the hood. Always do it horizontal, that way it's easier to adjust along the straps. Because these straps are made of some sort of cotton, you don't need to do two strips of Velcro. Makes it easier. You can see here when I adjust the hood, the way it kind of sets over onto the strap. I just pull the hood down and the Velcro automatically attaches onto the straps, and looks pretty fucking gnarly. Now, I'm a big fan of Scream the series, season 1 and 2. As I discussed before in another Brandon James mask review, I know the series has its flaws, but you know, it doesn't everything. Well, then again, no, Scream the movies, I don't want to name any flaws. I don't, there probably are some, but I don't want to see them. I love it too much. Give you a little bit of knife action here, how you can see it looks with the cosplay. Nice and glossy as well. That's something I really like about the mask. I love a glossy mask. So let me know what you think, guys. This is one of Burkbench Designs' many variations of mask. Next I'm planning to get the devil mask when I eventually have money again. That reminds me, hit me up if you want to buy any of the masks I make. I list them on eBay under Bad Omen Oddities, and I also post them on my Instagram, Open Grave Effects. And once more, here it is in display form. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. As always, stay spooky and remember to share the scares.